Harley-Davidson Fat Boy has long been a symbol of the brand's commitment to bold design and powerful performance. For 2025, Harley-Davidson has introduced a refreshed version of this cruiser, blending timeless aesthetics with modern technology. This new iteration promises to captivate both longtime enthusiasts and a new generation of riders. Design and styling, a modern classic. The 2025 Fat Boy retains its iconic design elements while incorporating modern touches. The classic rounded gas tank is now adorned with a bold new tank medallion, adding a contemporary flair. The 18-inch machined Lancaster wheels with massive tires are covered by cutback fenders, giving the bike a powerful stance and commanding presence. The polished chrome headlamp nacelle accentuates the large and muscular look of the front end. Color options for the 2025 Fat Boy include vivid black, billiard gray, blue burst, and whiskey fire black, allowing riders to choose a finish that suits their personal style. The combination of these design elements ensures that the Fat Boy stands out on the road, embodying the timeless appeal of Harley-Davidson. Engine and performance, power meets precision. At the heart of the 2025 Fat Boy lies the Milwaukee 8 custom V-twin engine. With a displacement of 1,923 cubic centimeters, this engine delivers 104 horsepower at 4,800 RPM and 171 Nm of torque at 3,000 RPM. The engine's design features pushrod-operated, overhead valves with hydraulic lifters and 4 valves per cylinder, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. Its air-cooled system and electronic sequential port fuel injection, ESPFI, optimize fuel delivery for efficient performance. The Fat Boy's performance is further enhanced by its 6-speed transmission and a 2x2 staggered exhaust system, which provides a deep, signature Harley-Davidson sound. The exhaust includes a catalyst in the muffler, contributing to reduced emissions. Additionally, the pressurized, dry-sump lubrication system with an oil cooler ensures durability and consistent performance, making this engine the heart of every thrilling ride. Chassis and suspension, built for comfort and control. The 2025 Fat Boy features a durable mild steel tubular frame with a rectangular backbone, MIG welded stamped, cast, and forged junctions, and aluminum forged fender supports for exceptional strength and stability. Its 49mm dual bending valve telescopic fork with aluminum triple clamps and dual rate springs ensures smooth handling, while the classic beer-can covers add iconic style. The rear suspension includes a hidden coilover monoshock with a 43mm stroke and hydraulic preload adjustment, delivering a comfortable and adaptable ride for any road condition. This combination of chassis and suspension components provides a balanced ride, offering both comfort and control for the rider. Technology and features, modern conveniences. While the Fat Boy's design pays homage to its heritage, it also embraces modern technology to enhance the riding experience. The 2025 model introduces a 127mm analog and digital display, featuring a large, easy-to-read analog gauge positioned above an LCD screen. This display provides key information such as ride modes, fuel level, and trip data. New hand controls accommodate cruise control and newly integrated tech features, including selectable ride modes, road, rain, sport, and traction control. USB-C charging ensures that devices can be powered during rides, keeping navigation systems and communication devices operational. An adjustable brake lever allows riders to fine-tune lever distance to maximize braking efficiency, accommodating different hand sizes and preferences. Rider safety enhancements, confidence on every ride. Harley-Davidson has equipped the 2025 Fat Boy with a suite of rider safety enhancements designed to provide peace of mind during various riding conditions. The anti-lock brake system, ABS, prevents wheel lock-up during braking, helping maintain control in emergency situations. The traction control system, TCS, reduces rear-wheel slip during acceleration, enhancing stability. The drag torque slip control system, DSCS, mitigates excessive rear-wheel slip during deceleration, particularly when downshifting abruptly. The tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, alerts the rider to low or high tire pressure, promoting optimal tire performance and safety. Additionally, the cornering enhanced anti-lock brake system, CABS, adjusts braking force based on lean angle, providing stable braking performance while cornering. Pricing and availability, a premium investment. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy is positioned as a premium cruiser, reflecting its advanced features and iconic status. Pricing varies based on color options and dealer specifications. For instance, the Vivid Black model is priced at $22,949, while custom color options can increase the price. Given its limited production and the inclusion of high-end features, the Fat Boy is an investment for riders seeking a blend of classic design, modern technology, and exceptional performance. Conclusion: the Fat Boy legacy continues. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy successfully honors its legacy while embracing modern advancements. With its powerful Milwaukee 8 117 custom engine, striking design, and enhanced safety features, it stands as a testament to Harley-Davidson's commitment to innovation and tradition. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the Harley-Davidson family, the 2025 Fat Boy offers an exhilarating and confident riding experience. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. For more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles, stay tuned to Bike Updater Pro.